Alright, Pigeon, leave my cabbage alone.
Hadouken!
Yeah, welcome back. Here I am once again at the Allotment. It's a pretty cool but mild winter day, and it's about time I actually started to think about the spring. So, bulb season. Today I'm gonna put in the ground some mixed magnolias, snowdrops, and some daffodils. That way I can ensure some spring color. It's quite a quiet day here at the Allotment, not many people around. So today you'll see me doing some digging, planting, and some planning. All right, see you soon. Ciao. Oh, I've just seen the remnants of what I think is a fox attack. This pigeon didn't make it. My winter cabbage has also been ravaged. But this pigeon went through hell. Absolute hell. Thank God I'm not a pigeon. You know, the pigeon was probably here, chilling. Actually, maybe the pigeon was eating my winter cabbage. So that's what you get, pigeon. Leave my cabbage alone. Or the foxes will get ya. Foxes will munch you. You tried to munch my cabbage, but you got munched. Karma. Pigeon karma. And that goes for all of you guys. Don't eat people's winter cabbage or you'll end up like this. Look at that. Savage. You can see the wings, some feathers. That pigeon got munched. Why is it on my winter cabbage? Why? This is from another angle. The plight of this pigeon has really got me thinking, considering my life choices with all the elections that have happened, the inauguration of Donald Trump. I know people have been quite upset, worried about the future, not planning for all eventualities. I mean, that pigeon didn't plan, just thought he'd eat my winter cabbage without consequence. I choose not to focus on the sad things, you know, and a way to really do that is to come outside in nature, to come outside, plant some flowers, bulbs, potatoes, carrots, parsnips, radish, whatever you like. There's nothing like being outside in nature and watching the seasons change, you know. That's what's so beautiful about it. From the cycle of the moon, full moon, half moon, crescent moon, back to the full moon, from the sunset to the sunrise, nature is changed. It really does ground you. Forgive me for the pun. If this is the first time here, joining my channel, would love to hear your thoughts about nature, being outside, getting away from the hustle and bustle. London, England, a very busy city, so it's always nice to step outside into nature, planting, growing, connecting with the earth. Thank you again for joining me. Keep on watching, keep on following. Smash that like, smash that subscribe. Don't make silly mistakes like that pigeon. Right, time to put some bulbs in the earth. that's it for another session. No big chops today. Hope you're all well. We're taking this job really slowly, a tiny bit at a time, and that's how I think we should view life, really. So don't overexert yourselves, look after your bodies, and get outside into nature. It's amazing. Take care, all the best, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye for now.
Combo breaker.